Hi everyone, this is Bob Bickle, and this is Oil Painting and Stuff, and this is that cheetah I started in part 1. I did the black background and the background for the dark shading on the cheetah's head. I'm going to use a 0 round Silverwhite brush by Silverbrush. It's a acrylic brush. I increased the speed of this by 3 times so you wouldn't be too bored with me going back and forth filling this small brush up with paint. It is a very small brush. It does a very good job of doing details, but you can't get very much pigment load on the brush. So there's a lot of back and forth. Later on in this video, I finally wised up and put together a small palette that I could put in my left hand and I wouldn't have to be going back and forth getting paint thinner and paint. The paint I'm using is Winsor Newton Griffin alkyd oil paints. I prefer these paints because they dry overnight. I think I'll just keep quiet for a little bit, and if I see anything that's important I think you should know about, I'll let you know. The colors I'm using on my palette are titanium white, burnt sienna, black, burnt umber, and Naples yellow. The palette I'm using now is a 4x6 canvas that I have palette paper scotch tape to. There's not so much back and forth. I'm using GAMSOL odorless mineral spirits as my medium to thin my paints. Right now you'll see that I'm going a little bit too far on the right painting here. I've gone past the center of the skull on this cat, and I'm going to have to make a correction of that in the future video. The brush I'm using right there is a 0 script liner, a MastersTouch brush. Very good brush. It seems to carry more paint than that 0 round brush that I started out with. Right now I'm just somewhat outlining where the nostrils are. We're getting near the end of this episode. I hope you're enjoying these. If you do, please subscribe and give me a like and ring that bell so you'll be notified of my future videos on this episode painting this cheetah. Until then, I hope you do well. Take it easy now. So long.